secret car features that will change the way you drive. Modern cars are packed with technology, but not all of it is obvious. Many vehicles have hidden features and settings that can dramatically change the driving experience, making your ride safer, more comfortable, or even more fun. These secret features are often buried in menus, overlooked in the owner's manual, or intentionally designed as little perks for attentive drivers. Discovering them feels like unlocking a new level of your car, giving control, convenience, and capabilities you didn't realize were possible. For enthusiasts, understanding these secrets can transform a daily commute or road trip into a more efficient, enjoyable, and intelligent experience. Before diving into these 10 game-changing car features, make sure to share in the comments which type of secret feature excites you most. And don't forget to subscribe for more insider automotive guides. Automatic emergency braking and collision assist. Many modern cars come equipped with emergency braking systems that are far more advanced than most drivers realize. Beyond standard collision alerts, some systems can automatically apply brakes if a potential crash is detected, even in situations where reaction time is limited. Certain vehicles allow drivers to adjust sensitivity or enable features that monitor not only cars but pedestrians and cyclists, creating a layered safety net that feels almost predictive. Using this feature effectively can reduce accident risk and boost confidence, particularly in city traffic or heavy congestion. While often overlooked, mastering collision assist transforms everyday driving into a safer, more intuitive experience. Adaptive cruise control. Adaptive cruise control is a next-level version of standard cruise control, capable of adjusting speed automatically based on the vehicle ahead. Unlike traditional cruise control, this system monitors traffic, maintaining a safe following distance and even bringing the car to a complete stop if necessary. Some models offer adjustable following distances or integrate lane centering technologies, allowing semi-autonomous highway driving. Using adaptive cruise control reduces fatigue during long drives, improves fuel efficiency, and makes highway navigation less stressful. Understanding its nuances allows drivers to take full advantage of what feels like a co-pilot in the car. Lane Keep Assist and Lane Departure Warnings. Lane Keep Assist is more than a warning system, it subtly guides the steering to keep the car centered within its lane. When combined with lane departure warnings, this feature can prevent unintentional drifting caused by drowsiness or distraction. Certain cars allow sensitivity adjustments and integration with adaptive cruise control for smoother lane corrections. Using these features responsibly can significantly enhance driver safety, especially on long, monotonous stretches of highway. It's a quiet, almost invisible feature that changes the way drivers approach lane discipline, turning subtle mistakes into correctable actions before they escalate. Heads-up display features. Many vehicles hide heads-up display options beyond the basic speedometer projection. Some HUDs can show navigation directions, incoming call alerts, safety warnings, and even speed limit changes. This allows drivers to keep their eyes on the road without constantly glancing at the dashboard or infotainment screen. Proper use of HUD features not only improves convenience, but also enhances situational awareness, reducing distractions and helping maintain focus during long or complex drives. For drivers who want to feel more connected and informed without losing attention on the road, HUDs can fundamentally change the driving experience. Remote start and climate control. Remote start features aren't just about convenience, they can drastically improve comfort and efficiency. Activating the engine from a distance allows the car to preheat or cool the interior, depending on season, without wasting time adjusting settings manually. Some systems integrate with mobile apps to schedule start times, monitor battery levels, or even adjust seat and steering wheel temperatures. For those who live in extreme climates, mastering remote start transforms mornings from uncomfortable routines into smooth, climate-controlled departures. It's a hidden feature that makes a car feel more like a personalized environment rather than a standard vehicle. Automatic parking assist. Automatic or semi-automatic parking systems allow cars to parallel or perpendicular park with minimal driver input. Beyond standard guidance lines, advanced systems can detect space dimensions, calculate steering angles, and even control acceleration and braking during parking maneuvers. Some vehicles include alerts for objects in blind spots while parking, adding another layer of precision. Learning how to fully leverage automatic parking removes the stress from tight spaces, reduces the risk of minor collisions, and can be especially valuable in urban environments with limited parking availability. This feature fundamentally changes the way drivers approach crowded or complex parking situations. Hidden drive modes and performance settings. Many vehicles include drive mode settings that are often overlooked, ranging from economy and comfort to sport or track modes. These modes adjust throttle response, transmission behavior, suspension stiffness, and even steering feel, tailoring the car's personality to the driver's preference. Some cars have hidden performance modes, accessible via specific sequences or buttons, that unlock higher output, quicker shifts, or sharper handling. Activating these modes allows drivers to experience a car's full potential safely in controlled environments. Understanding and using drive modes effectively changes how a vehicle reacts to roads, making every drive feel more responsive and enjoyable. Voice control and infotainment shortcuts. Modern cars often have powerful voice control systems and hidden infotainment shortcuts that many drivers never use. Beyond basic navigation commands, advanced voice systems can control climate, media, phone calls, and even access vehicle settings. Some cars include gesture controls or touchscreen shortcuts to perform multiple actions quickly, eliminating distractions while driving. Leveraging these hidden features improves convenience and keeps drivers focused on the road while also unlocking the full potential of a vehicle's technological ecosystem. Blind spot monitoring and cross-traffic alerts. Blind spot monitors and cross-traffic alert systems are designed to detect vehicles approaching from behind or the sides, offering warnings or even corrective steering. Many drivers don't realize these systems can be customized for sensitivity, alert types, and integration with other safety systems. Mastering these features provides a more confident driving experience in urban environments, highways, and parking lots. By alerting drivers to hazards they might not see otherwise, these features fundamentally change situational awareness and reduce stress in congested or complex traffic situations. Maintenance and diagnostic features. Many vehicles hide advanced maintenance and diagnostic tools that can improve long-term performance and reliability. Accessing onboard diagnostics via apps or hidden menus allows drivers to monitor engine health, tire pressure, fluid levels, and battery status in real time. Some vehicles even predict maintenance needs before problems occur, allowing preventative care and avoiding costly repairs. If one of these features caught your attention, share your thoughts in the comments. For more guides revealing hidden automotive technology and tips to enhance driving, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so every ride can be experienced to its fullest.